Problem? For where?
Oga, they try to rig the election.
Eh?
I'm telling you, very bad.
No, Oga a good man. Oga a good man.
Oga na bad. Why we go try to? Oh no, this is bad.
Oga a good man. Rig. I know rig now. Rig no be that one what we did for primary school. We dey do.
No.
Him.
Hey, ma. Pack the phone. Pack am. We dey move and go headquarters. If Oga reach here today, even you go repent. Move am. I don't go anywhere. Give me my boss. Give me my boss. I don't go anywhere. Give me my boss. Give me my boss. I don't go anywhere. Give me my boss. Give me my boss. Give my boss. Give my boss. Mother, leave me now.
You're not finished.
Hey, come on. Hey.
Nothing, sir.
What is going on here?
Nothing, sir.
What is happening here?
I just say make I come outside. Ma take fresh air.
Yes.
Still think about this my life. How they go and how you come be. Now I see this woman. Electoral material. You carry her, you throw away everybody who vote for you. You carry puff, you load her for the bag. Nobody arrest her. As I arrest her now, Oga when they begin to try to puff like say that boiled egg, you don't swallow plenty things.
You dey grace? What you concern me for the matter?
No, wait.
Okay.
Electoral box.
Yes, sir. See here.
This
girl.
girl.
Come out on the paper, people will vote. Replace her with pop. Replace her with pop. You're not finished. It's still a play.
I'm gonna lie you.
Throw away the electoral material. Put pop. Put pop.
You go carry me now. Meaning get up and go to pure water. You go carry.
I don't understand. You may go in.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Let me handle it myself. Now tell me.
Okay, I don't know why this guy carry the electoral material. Come go hide somewhere, come carry pop, they deceive the public. Okay, Ife?
Hey.
And again, if they give you that office, my profile self will rise.
What business has this with electoral?
Oh.
Okay, no be this place they take those paper. I cast your vote, no decide here.
Jesus. We don't make it.
They don't finish my boss.
It's all right.
You have finished my boss.
Where in this country will somebody steal electoral box before the election day?
Oh, election never hold.
Huh?
Never hold.
You say? I don't understand.
Don't see her.
Sir, you know,
Uzoma, I don't understand.
I just calculate and say, now the only thing I feel do for you now be this. If you win this election, now my level 2 go upgrade small. So I think maybe they don't do election, then she don't move the box, she don't offload people who vote, come put off inside. I don't make mistakes, sir.
We don't fuck up.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.